You are going to be amazed at how decadent this pasta dish is. Get ready for your palate to be delighted with the spinach ricotta ravioli with mushrooms recipe. Start by adding the Parmesan cheese, egg, and ricotta cheese into a bowl. Mix them to combine, then set aside. Take out your skillet, then heat the olive oil over medium to high heat. Add in some mushrooms of your choice, then cook for 10 minutes until tender. Now add the spinach and cook for about 45 seconds until wilted. After that, add it into the bowl with the ricotta mixture and fold to combine. Set it aside and in another bowl, add the egg and pour over the water. Whisk to combine to make the egg wash, then set it aside. Next, place a pot of water on the stove and let it boil. Meanwhile, place one of the wonton wrappers on a clean work surface, then place 1 teaspoon of the filling to the middle. Brush the sides of the wonton wrapper with the egg wash, then place another wonton wrapper on top. Press the edges down with a fork to seal, making a piece of ravioli. Into the pot of boiling water the raviolis go, and let it cook for 4 minutes. Pour over the pomodoro sauce and garnish with parsley and Parmesan cheese. Buon appetito! Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.